eduwebtvkpm.
Ouch! I have burned my hand.
Aiman, what happened?
I have accidentally burned my hand.
Oh my god, you okay there?
I have burned my hand. Badly burned.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's Tahap 2 slot with me, Chris MJ. And as you saw earlier, today I'm here together with Miss Devi for Science DLP Year 6. Hi teacher.
Hi, Chris.
How are you teacher?
I'm great, Chris. How about
Okay.
you?
I am great as well and excited like my friends watching at home for today's science
Yeah.
lesson. But before we proceed with today's class, we also want to welcome Mr. Adli as our sign language interpreter for today. Hi, sir. All right. Now, Miss Devi,
Yes.
before we proceed with our class today,
Yeah.
a classroom isn't complete without classmates. Am I right?
Of course.
So maybe you could introduce our classmates for today's lesson. Go ahead.
Yes, we have 4 classmates here. Okay, there are Putri from SK Bukit Ramamputra, Mitika from SK Puchong Indah, okay, and Yoga from SK Bukit Kemuning 2, and Haziq from SK Sri Hartamas.
Ah, there they are. Hi everyone. Give me a big wave. Give me a big wave.
Hi.
All right. And if you're ready for today's class, everyone watching at home as well as my Google Meets classmates, give me a big thumbs up. Where's the thumbs up? Are you guys ready for today's class? Oh, okay. Haziq was like, I scratched my neck first. All right. So, well, without further ado, what are we going to learn today?
Just now you got to watch the video they
Yeah.
played,
Someone was touching hot water. And it was
Yeah,
like, hot,
and you
hot.
just say, ouch.
Yeah.
No, it was paining. So why that thing happens, Chris?
I'm not too sure, but has it to do something with the skeleton?
Yeah, after this I'm going to teach you about
All right.
why this thing happened, why it reflect with when you touch something hot. I think the boy touched hot thing,
It's
right?
ouch.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you just take away the hand from the pot. Okay,
Yeah.
now we are going to learn that for today. So
Okay.
you want to learn, you have to follow me. to the
Okay,
class.
everyone, let's get ready for class. So, what is the topic for today, teacher?
Yeah, topic for today is human nervous system. Yes.
System.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So in human nervous system, we are going to learn about types of human nervous system. Okay, there are 2 types of nervous system. There are central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Have you learned this before?
Yes, teacher, of course. I was
Okay.
once year 6 too.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about central nervous system.
Okay.
Okay, central nervous system is the central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. Okay, so if you see there's a brain on top and the spinal cord at the back there, right?
Right,
In our
right.
body. So next we are going to learn about peripheral nervous system. Okay, the peripheral nervous system consists of a neural network. Okay, it is controlled by the central nervous system. Yeah, if you look at it, when we talk about central nervous system, we can relate with the peripheral nervous system.
I see.
Yeah, peripheral nervous system is connected to the central nervous system.
All right,
Yes.
teacher. So, central nervous system is for involving the brain
And
the
spinal cord.
the spinal cord,
Yeah.
whereas peripheral nervous system involves the neural network
Exactly.
and the brain as well.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Very good, Chris.
All right, thank you very much, teacher.
So, we have a quiz time
Oh,
now.
okay, okay.
So, we are going to ask our students out there. All right?
Okay, sure.
So, my question is, label the parts that are involved in the central nervous system. Okay, let us ask our students there.
Okay.
Okay, who can tell me what is labeled X there?
Okay, raise your hands.
Raise your hand. Yeah, yoga first.
Okay, go ahead, Yoga.
Yoga, yes, yoga. What is X there? Yoga? I can't hear you. Brain. Okay, very good. Well done. I think we can give one smiley for him.
Oh, okay. So that is the correct
it's
answer.
a reward. Yeah, it's a great
Okay.
correct answer. And we go to the label Y. Who can tell me what is labeled Y there? Okay, Mithika.
Spinal cord.
Spinal cord. Okay, that's good. Correct answer. So, Chris, you can give her one smiley.
Okay,
for
sure.
Mithika.
Congratulations, Mithika.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what we call the label of the central nervous system.
All right. So, well, good job, everyone. Mritika, Haziq, Putri and Yoga. Well, I'm sure the rest will have chances to get more smiley face.
Yes.
But before that, how about we take a quick break? Is that okay, teacher?
Sure, can.
All right. So, pupils watching at home, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back on Tahap 2, EduwebTV KPM.
EduwebTV KPM.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's Tahap 2 slot with me, Chris MJ, as well as Miss Devi for Science DLP Year 6. And the topic we're learning today is nervous system. Alright, and joining us today, we have 4 friends on Google Meets. Hi everyone, give us a big wave. Yeah, there they are. Okay, we're all ready for today's class. Well, Miss Devi, what are we going to learn in this next segment?
Okay, just now we learned about nervous system, right?
Yes.
So we are going to more about functions of human nervous system. Okay, so let us learn about the functions. Okay, first one, it controls and coordinates different functions of the organs and parts of the body.
I see.
The second is, the function is detects and responds to stimulus. And the third functions is the nervous system communicates with different parts of the body through signal transmission.
I see.
Yes.
Okay, so these are the 3 functions.
Yes. So we are going to more detail about it.
Okay.
So now we are going to talk about function of central nervous system. Okay, a center to receive information from the sensory organs, and it also used to coordinate responses. That we call the function of central nervous system, where we can say consists of our brain and the spinal cord. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
It's just center of the receive information from the whole body. All right.
All right.
So next is the function of the brain. Okay, when we talk about the central nervous system, we have learned about brain and the spinal cord, right?
Yep.
So brain also have function. Okay, what is the function is, it coordinates both voluntary and involuntary actions.
I see.
Yeah, what is voluntary, involuntary? Later we will find out.
Okay, later we'll find out.
Okay.
All right.
So next, this is the one. Voluntary actions. Voluntary action means such as dancing, observing, eating.
I see.
And there are more.
Okay.
It's just an example. Okay, and next is involuntary actions. Involuntary action means such as heartbeat, breathing, digestion. Okay, when you talk about this, better I just clarify this.
Yeah.
Voluntary means that something can control.
Can control.
Yeah, if you want to look at that person, you don't want to, so you still can.
Right, you just close your eyes.
Close your eyes. I don't want to look at him.
Yeah.
Or I don't look at that person.
Yeah.
Maybe for 1 year also you don't want to look at that person, still can control. That
Correct.
we call voluntary action.
I see.
So involuntary action, it cannot stop. You cannot control it. For example, your heartbeat. Can you control your heartbeat? You
No,
say,
teacher.
I don't want my heartbeat to be for
Yeah.
today. Tomorrow only start to my
Cannot.
heartbeat.
That's impossible.
That's what we call it's involuntary.
Involuntary.
Like breathing. Can you stop your breath?
For
Your
a while,
breath?
teacher.
Yeah.
But it's automatic.
Yeah, just maybe 1 minute is a
Yeah.
maximum 3 minutes. There's a world, we can say the achievement of the people. But usually breathing we cannot control. So
Okay.
that we call involuntary.
So voluntary is actions that we can control,
Yes.
and involuntary is actions that we can't control.
Exactly. Well done,
So
Chris.
do my friends on Google Meets as well as those watching at home understand so far? If you're clear, give me a thumbs up. Oh, double thumbs up. Very nice.
Good.
Okay, well, shall we proceed?
So now we are talking about function of spinal cord.
Okay.
Okay, spinal cord, if you look at it, it carries information from the whole body to the brain and from the brain to the whole body. Okay, so other way around also. The spinal cord also controls some of the reflex actions. Okay, so when you look at it, reflex action, we are talking about reflex actions, right? Okay, quick unconscious actions. For example, the spinal cord receives signals and commands to the body to respond. Okay, for example, I give you some reflex actions. Okay, when you accidentally stepping on a sharp object, what you will do?
Ouch! Ouch!
That's we call reflex actions. Okay, on the spot you will reflect of it. Okay, and the next is sneezing when dust enters the nostrils, right?
Yep.
You will say, "Ach!" for very fast. Sometimes the dusty, then you will sneeze. Okay, and the third one, example here, accidentally touching a hot object, as you seen just now the video, right?
Yeah. So these are called reflexes.
Yeah, exactly.
And this is controlled by the spinal cord.
Yes.
Okay. So that's why when you touch hot water or hot kettle,
Yes.
we automatically do that.
Exactly.
I see. Interesting.
Yeah, good. Okay, so now quiz time.
Quiz time.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Okay.
Putri and Haziq will get their chances to get their smiley
So
faces.
my question is, give your 4 example of voluntary actions. Who want to try first? Okay, Yoga, first to raise his hand. Give me one example, Yoga, voluntary action.
Observing.
Observing. Wow, that's good. Correct answer. Okay, how about others who want to try voluntary action? Yes, Haziq?
Dancing.
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 Yes, well done. Okay, next. Who want to try? Yes, Putri.
Watching.
Come again?
Watching.
Watching. Very good. Okay, and the last one. Okay, Mitika, you want to try? Yes?
Eating.
Come again?
Eating.
Teaching.
Eating.
Eating. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Eating. Very good.
Right.
So you don't want to eat also can? You want to eat also don't?
Yeah, but sometimes we cannot control. We still want to eat. But anyway, eating is a voluntary action.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
well done. Putri, Mitika, Haziq. We have more after this.
Okay.
Give me 4 example of involuntary actions. Want to try? Wow, everyone raised his hand. Okay, how about Haziq? Yes.
Breathing.
Breathing. Yeah, very good. Okay, yes. Putri.
Blood circulations.
Blood circulation. Well done.
Yeah, we can't control this.
You cannot control blood circulation. Very good, Putri. Okay, next. Yes, Mitika.
Sweating.
Sweating. You can control sweat? Of course.
You can't.
You
Yeah,
can't, right?
you can't control. So it's an involuntary action.
Yes,
Nice one.
involuntary. Well done. Okay, one more. Who is that? Yoga. Yes.
Digestion.
Digestion.
Yep.
Very good, Yoga. Okay, that's the correct answer. Okay, these are the 4 examples of involuntary actions. Okay, we have some more work to do.
Oh.
Okay, let's do the nervous system signaling activity.
Okay.
Okay, we have hands-on activity here. So I hope everyone have a paper with you, pen, thread, and scissor, of course, with the glue. Okay, we have something here. Maybe we can do it now.
Yeah, teacher,
Okay?
where's my
Sure. I'm going to
hand me
prepare
book?
for you. There.
Oh, thank
for
you very much, teacher.
Okay, this is the
Okay.
one for you.
So everyone
Maybe
watching
you
at
can
home.
use the thread here.
Okay.
Okay, and we have a scissors. Okay, everyone, maybe you can try it out.
All right.
Okay, first of all, you have to draw a human. Like
Draw a human.
Yeah, draw a human.
Okay.
Can you draw a human like this? Something like that.
Okay, maybe we can show what the end product will look like also, so
Yeah,
that our
sure.
friends watching at home knows what to do, what we're going to do. Okay, so we're going to do this, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, so we need to draw a human. And teacher, can I ask, what is the red and blue mean?
Okay, the blue is sensory organs.
Okay.
So actually we can do blue or red. So we just put
Okay.
it, even blood circulation, so a whole of our body,
Yeah.
right? So it's connect to that. That's why I put the red also. So you want to use the red or blue also can. Here, if you look at the skeleton,
Okay.
we have a blue and red here. I put this nervous
All right.
system. Okay.
So, what items do we need again for everyone
Okay.
watching at home?
So scissors,
Okay.
the thread just now I gave you blue thread there and the
Scissors.
red. And
Red.
then you need the glue. You have a glue there, okay, now glue for you.
Okay, glue.
Okay, you can use your marker pen as well if you want to draw using a marker pen so that the outline look nicer
Right.
for the human when you draw. So
Okay.
only that, not much.
That's all?
Yes, very simple.
And maybe like what about this black?
If you don't want that also can, you just use a paper, that's enough. A4 paper, that's enough.
Okay, okay. So, is everyone ready for today's activity? Do you have your items, your materials with you? Okay,
Yeah.
so if so, let's get to it.
Maybe they can show you are doing right.
Yeah.
So can you show your work?
Okay,
Okay, come on, start.
I'm not very good at drawing, teacher, so
So
please don't
just
scold me if I
draw,
draw.
never mind.
I don't draw nicely,
Just
okay?
try yourself.
Okay, let's draw a human. Okay, a head,
Yeah.
a neck,
There, they are doing now.
and then the hands are very long here. Okay, 5 fingers. Oh no.
So,
So please don't laugh at me, everyone, okay?
Okay.
I'll try my best. Okay.
okay, just simple enough, Chris.
Simple.
Yeah.
I will try to do simple. Okay. And then the humans got how many legs? 2 legs.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, oh no, why is the feet very big? Okay. All right. I did drawn my human. Look at that.
Nice, nice, nice.
For some reason, the feet is very big. Okay, then what's the next step?
You have to cut the thread here and
Okay.
then just put it on top. You have to use
Alright.
glue. If you feel hard to use glue, you can use the double-sided.
All right.
Okay, let me show you. Just put that. Come on.
Okay.
Okay, you can put double-sided. Just
Yeah, maybe I
you
can use
put the double-sided
double-sided
like this.
tape. Okay.
From here.
Ah.
And then you pull it down and then you just stick the thread on it.
Okay, can. So should I pick the blue or should I pick the red thread? Which one should we pick? Both is the same, right, teacher? We just want to show the nervous system.
The nervous
Okay,
system.
I think I'll go for the blue. And don't forget, pupils, if you're using your scissors, this is a sharp object, so make sure to do this activity with your parents or adult supervision, okay? Okay, so how are my classmates doing for this activity? Very quiet. Oh, well, look at that.
Yeah, they're already going to stick.
Yo guys, why? They're doing so fast. Okay, look at Mitika's one. Mitika's looking great. That's why she's using red.
Yes.
Haziq
one? Where's Haziq? Yours, show us.
May I go to the toilet?
All right. Everyone doing good, huh? Teacher, look at them, teacher. You're all doing a great and excellent job.
Yes.
Well, I think we need a bit more time. Is that okay, teacher?
Yeah, sure, can.
Okay, so we'll take a short break so that we can complete this homework.
Yeah.
But for our friends watching at home, go ahead and try this activity and we'll see you shortly after the break only on Tahap 2 EduwebTV KPM.
EduwebTV KPM.
Hi everyone, welcome to Tahap 2 EduwebTV KPM with me Chris MJ as well as Miss Devi for today's Science DLP lesson on the nervous system. Alright teacher, so I have completed my homework over here and what about our classmates, my classmates on Google Meets, have you completed our homework from teacher just now? If you did, show it to the camera. So this one is what activity was this, teacher? This is
This is a nervous system.
nervous system.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe teacher want to check our friends.
So if I check, well done everyone. I think we can give each of them 2 smiley.
2 smiley.
Yes.
Okay. Everybody gets 2 smileys. Good job, everyone. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so teacher, what are we going to be doing next in this segment?
Yeah, after this we are going to learn about what is the function of peripheral nervous system.
Peripheral nervous
Yes.
system.
Just not central nervous system, right? The functions about central.
Right.
And so now it's functions of peripheral nervous system.
Okay.
Okay, in this function we can learn that peripheral sends signals from the body to the central nervous system. okay, and sends command signals from the central nervous system to the whole body.
I see.
Yeah, this is the function of peripheral nervous system.
Okay.
And if you look at it, if a dysfunctional peripheral nervous system, what could happen? We are going to learn that. Okay, so people talk about peripheral, this is very important for us. If it's not functioning, so these are the things will happen. We will get Bell's palsy. Bell's palsy is one of the disease we said, where a condition where the peripheral nervous system that control the facial muscles are damaged. Yeah, and controls of the facial muscles also is disrupted.
Okay.
Okay, and causes one side of the face to droop. Have you seen people like this?
Yes,
so
yes,
this
yes.
is because of peripheral nervous system is not functioning.
Okay.
Okay, and it also have a difficulty to smile or close their eyes. You can look at the picture there. So someone that her eyes or one side is open, she can't close her eye. Okay,
So
this
this
will
is because the peripheral nervous system isn't functioning well.
Exactly.
I see. Okay,
So
okay.
there's people. Sometimes we will think about why these people look like this, right?
Yeah.
This is because of dysfunction of peripheral nervous system.
Wow. Now we know how important our nervous system is, right, teacher?
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes we just never care about it, right?
Right.
Yeah. So nervous system very important for us. And next is, okay, when it's not working, it's not functioning, another thing will happen is body imbalance problems.
Body imbalance problems.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here it will damage nerves in the legs, may cause the body to lose balance and fall. People can fall easily. They can't balance their body.
I see. Because maybe they cannot control the muscles or the leg muscles, right?
Because that's peripheral. Peripheral is connected to the central nervous system.
Right, right.
So that's what will happen.
Okay.
All right.
Understood.
So after this we are going to have quiz time.
Quiz. Okay.
Yeah.
Before we do
before
the,
quiz time, I have question for the students out there.
Okay. What is the question, teacher?
Okay. What is the function of spinal cord?
Function of the spinal cord. Who wants to try?
I can see Yoga raise his hand.
Okay, Yoga, go ahead.
Yes, Yoga.
The function of spinal cord is to carry information from the body to the brain and from the brain to the body.
Very good. Wow.
Excellent.
Well done, Yoga.
Does he get a smiley face?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, good job, Yoga.
Good job. Okay, now I have another question before we go to the another quiz here.
Okay.
Okay, what is the function of our brain? Mithika, raise your hand first.
Control the involuntary actions and the involuntary actions.
Wow, yes, correct. Chris?
Maybe I would like to ask Mithika one more question. Is that okay?
Sure.
Because I forgot already. But
Okay.
Mithika, can you share with me an example of a voluntary action and an involuntary action?
Voluntary action, eating.
Okay.
Involuntary action, digestion.
Is that correct, teacher?
Exactly. Well done.
Good job, Mithika.
Good job. Okay. So, we have a last question for today.
All right. So what is the question?
Okay,
teacher?
what would happen if the nervous system is damaged?
Oh.
Wow.
Okay, we just
okay,
learned
want
this
to try?
earlier.
Okay, Putri. What will happen if nervous system is damaged? You will get what? Disease.
Bell's palsy and body imbalance problems.
Well done. Okay, Bell's palsy and body imbalance. Okay, good.
Good job, Putri.
So good job, Putri. Okay, so I think they could manage to answer my questions.
Yeah.
And I hope they know what they have learned today is
Yeah.
about
Nervous system.
nervous system.
Yeah, but maybe you could also share a summary on what we learned today, teacher, about the nervous system.
Okay, we have learned about central nervous system
Okay.
and peripheral nervous system.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the function of central nervous system? What is the function of peripheral nervous system? They also have learned what is the function of brain. So under brain, we have voluntary and involuntary actions. Okay, voluntary action, they also learn about example of voluntary actions and examples of involuntary actions.
I
Okay,
see.
and they also have learned about what could happen when our peripheral
Nervous system.
Yeah, peripheral system is damaged.
There
there are
you go.
two things will happen, right?
Two things happen.
Palsy and
body imbalance.
yeah, exactly.
There you
Very
go.
good.
And
Very good,
teacher, how
Chris.
did our pupils do overall for this episode or this
Overall,
class?
they did well. I'm really proud of them. They
Wow.
could manage to answer my question, including you, Chris.
Oh, thank you very much,
Yeah,
teacher.
I'm going to give you 5-star for you.
Teacher, I don't want 5 stars, teacher.
Oh,
I
you want the big smiley?
I
is it?
want the
Okay,
big
can
smiley
you put
face.
it? Yes, sure.
There you go.
Yeah, very good.
All right,
Okay.
and where can our pupils get extra material,
Okay,
teacher?
they can get the material from the 5 KPM website.
All right. So with that, I'd like to say thank you very much to Miss Devi as well as Mr. Adli as our sign language interpreter for today's episode. And thank you for watching. We'll see you again only on EduwebTV KPM. Bye!